bro. Damn. Oh my god, it feels so good to be on the bike, bro. Oh! Oh my god, bro! Holy shit! Oh my god, I lost traction there. A life just flashed before my eyes, bruh. Okay, everyone calm the fuck down, bruh. God, everyone chill. We need to chill, bruh. What's up, you crazy fucks? What you doing? What y'all doing today, huh? I can feel my sweatshirt coming up. I'm just flashing and mooning everyone behind me. Alright, well, we got 50-degree weather right now, which is pretty fucking awesome, man. We don't really have a topic again today because I didn't plan for this ride, but today we're going to talk about some motovloggers and motovlogging things. A lot of you, when I first started, was asking, you know, what are some tips for motovlogging, bro? Like, what are some of your biggest tips? I guess we'll go through some of them right now. This list is not going to be in order from most important to not. I'm just going to list them out 1 through 5. Number 5 tip for beginner motovloggers is you gotta have the equipment and the software. Before you even start motovlogging, one, you gotta have a bike, right? Without the bike, you can't motovlog. I mean, you can. You do like an IRL vlog, I guess, but... I'm becoming such a degenerate, bro. I am becoming such a degenerate. So number 5, you gotta have your equipment and your software. You gotta edit on Adobe Premiere or maybe some Final Cut Pro. Or you could do what I'm doing and use an iPhone app to edit. I use InShot personally. I have like the premium or whatever the fuck it is. But that's number 5. Number 4 tip for you motovloggers is to, you know, gotta be careful, bruh. When you are motovlogging, your mind tends to go in different directions, right? Like, so if I'm talking about a list here, you know, I'm not 100% focused on the ride, which makes it a little bit more dangerous when I started motovlogging as a beginner, you know? So for all you beginners out there who you're stepping onto your motorcycle for the first time, I do not suggest that you start motovlogging right away because it's fucking dangerous, man. You have to be 100% committed to the ride. And you got to be like aware of everything around you, like this car braking. If I was not 100% aware of my surroundings, it could lead to bad things, either an accident or you having to find a quick escape route and fucking up your bike somehow, or whatever the case may be, right? So number 4, you gotta be careful, bruh. I'm actually dipping out of work right now to get a lift in. I think my boss is subscribed too, so if you are my boss and you're watching this, it's actually the weekend. it's a weekend. We are number 3, bro. Number 3 tip for beginner motovloggers is you gotta have the patience. And you gotta have the patience and the determination to do this because the money doesn't come right away. So if you're looking for, you know, your shit to get paid, you gotta be very lucky to get monetized on this platform. There's a lot of hurdles that you have to get through, like, you know, 1,000 watch hours or some shit, and 1,000 subscribers. I forgot what the numbers were. I know they relaxed it for 2023 so that the creators can get paid a little bit faster. But if you're looking to get paid right away, man, you're gonna run out of patience quick, because motovlogging, it takes up so much time, bro. And I mentioned this in one of my videos, man. It takes up a lot of time. I think I went with the analogy before of it being kind of like a second job, because it is, bro. It's kind of like a second job. You get home from work and you're not done. You gotta edit, you gotta watch all your footage, you gotta, you know, do all that shit. So patience is key here when you're motovlogging. Alright, I'm just gonna chill here because I almost fucked my shit up before and lost traction. So we're gonna take it a little bit easy, man. Hey, look who it is, bruh. Do y'all remember this fucking car? I hope y'all do.
What happened here?
Yeah,
What happened?
wait, what, over here?
Chicken strips.
Oh! It's Miss Chicken Strips. Oh my god, what is she doing, bruh? We're gonna run it a little bit this afternoon. I did scare the shit out of myself this afternoon, as you guys saw, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm kind of scared, bro. Man, that car is nice. Oh my god, bro. I need to not be stupid, bro. Because, man. This car is fast and loud. I'm gonna destroy her, bro. No doubt about it. I'm gonna destroy her. She's heavy, but man, that thing is insane. I hope my GoPro doesn't run out of battery. If it does, bro, it wasn't meant to be. You do it. You call it. You call it. Oh my god, this guy was crazy. I can't hear you. You call it. You call it. Oh my god, my foot is getting cramped up, bro. I think I've been redlining the fuck out of this bike. I've been redlining the fuck out of this bike, bro.
We need to get out of here.
Alright, I'll see you later. Man, that car is insane. I don't know. if you guys can hear, but that car is crazy, bruh. That parkway though was a little bit, it got a little sketchy just because there's so many people, man. We're gonna try to run it again, but I gotta go back to work. I've been kind of ignoring all my responsibilities for today, so man, it's tough, bruh. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to say I won, but it got close. Well, one time, bro, it was a close race. I was max risk there, max throttle. So that's my first time ever going max throttle. I am on traction control 1 in full power, so I just didn't want to, you know, fuck my shit up. But that was fun as fuck, man. Anyway, what were we talking about? Tips for motovloggers. Number 2. Always keep your camera rolling, bruh. Always, always, always. Always. You know why? Because there's gonna be that one interaction that you're not gonna catch on camera because you're picking and choosing when you're gonna turn it on. Just have it always on, bruh. That way you capture everything. The content will come to you guys on a motorcycle, but you just gotta keep the camera rolling. Don't try to save battery, buy more batteries, buy an SD card, have so much space in your SD card that you can keep it rolling for quite a long time, you know? Always keep your camera rolling, make sure you have enough battery, enough space in your GoPro, keep that shit going because the content will come to you and you don't have to look for the content or you don't have to go out searching for the content. That's a big, big tip. Number 2. Number 1! Number 1 is just to have fun, bruh. For me, when I go out riding, my videos tend to do better when I'm just like, oh yeah, fuck it, I'm just gonna have fun today. But if you have like an agenda to your videos, you know, you tend to kind of just try to follow that agenda and it's not as fun to watch, you know what I mean? It just isn't, you know, because you're always thinking about what should I talk about next, etc, etc. I just kind of let it flow, you know. So that's a big thing, man. Just have fun with it. Don't be overly serious about motovlogging. It's what time is it? It's like 2. It's like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. But anyway, guys, if you like the content, hit the like button, hit the notification bell too. Follow all of these videos that I'm dropping. It's sporadic, right? I don't have a schedule right now because it is the winter, but I will be dropping videos here and there. So hit that notification bell. If you're new here, welcome, you crazy fuck. Welcome to the community. And I'll see y'all in the next one, alright? Peace! Oh my god, what a day.